Hello guys, welcome back to today's workshop. Today we'll be tackling visualization and imagery training, mastering mental rehearsal for peak performance. Discover how elite athletes harness the power of mental imagery to enhance performance, build unshakable confidence, and achieve breakthrough results. This comprehensive training will transform how you prepare mentally for competition and skill development. Chapter 1: The Hidden Power of the Mind in Sports. Your mind possesses an extraordinary ability to shape physical performance. Mental rehearsal isn't just positive thinking, it's a scientifically proven training method that activates the same neural pathways as actual practice. When you vividly imagine performing your sport, your brain treats it as real experience, building muscle memory and confidence without physical movement. This chapter explores the foundational science behind visualization and why top athletes dedicate significant training time to mental rehearsal. You'll discover how your brain processes imagined experiences and learn to leverage this powerful tool for competitive advantage. Why visualization matters. Neural pathway activation. Mental imagery activates the same neural pathways as physical practice, literally rewiring your brain for improved performance. Research shows that imagined movements trigger identical motor cortex patterns as actual movements. The brain's reality processing. The brain cannot distinguish vivid imagined experiences from real ones when imagery is detailed and multi-sensory. This creates genuine learning and skill enhancement through mental rehearsal alone. Triple performance benefits. Visualization enhances skill acquisition by 23 to 35%. It builds unshakable confidence through successful rehearsal and improves focus by training attention, control under imagined pressure. These benefits compound over time, making visualization an essential component of any serious training regimen. Athletes who combine physical and mental practice consistently outperform those relying only on physical training alone. Training without moving. Your brain fires the same neural patterns whether you're physically performing or vividly imagining the movement. This phenomenon, called motor imagery, allows athletes to practice and improve skills purely through mental rehearsal. Elite athletes who swear by imagery. Michael Phelps mentally rehearsed every race detail from field of water to crowd noise. His daily mental videotape sessions prepared him for any scenario, contributing to his record-breaking Olympic success. Serena Williams visualizes every shot and movement sequence to boost mental toughness. Her multi-sensory imagery practice helped maintain peak performance across 2 decades of professional tennis. Novak Djokovic uses comprehensive imagery to prepare for match scenarios and maintain calm under pressure. His visualization practice is integral to his multiple Grand Slam victories and mental resilience. These champions demonstrate that mental rehearsal isn't supplementary training, it's fundamental to achieving and maintaining elite performance levels across different sports and competitive environments. The science behind visualization. 23% basketball improvement. Studies demonstrate improvement in free throw accuracy through imagery practice alone, without touching a basketball. 35% strength gains. Mental imagery can increase muscle strength without physical movement, providing the mind-muscle connections power. 100% neural strengthening. Mental rehearsal strengthens neural connections identically to physical repetition, creating lasting performance improvements. Research from leading sports science institutions consistently shows that visualization creates measurable lasting improvements in athletic performance. The key lies in making mental rehearsal as vivid and detailed as possible, engaging multiple senses to maximize neural activation and skill transfer. Chapter 2. What is vivid sensory rehearsal? Vivid sensory rehearsal goes far beyond simple visualization. It's an immersive mental training technique that engages all five senses, plus kinesthetic awareness to create incredibly realistic practice scenarios. This comprehensive approach mirrors how your brain naturally processes real experiences, making the mental rehearsal as effective as physical practice. True mastery comes from understanding that effective imagery isn't just about seeing, it's about creating a complete sensory experience that your nervous system interprets as genuine practice. This chapter reveals how to engage every aspect of sensory experience for maximum training benefit. Beyond seeing, engaging in all senses. Visual imagery. See your sport environment, equipment, opponents, and movements in crystal clear detail. Visualize lighting conditions, colors, and spatial relationships exactly as they appear during actual performance. Kinesthetic feelings. Feel muscle tension, equipment weight, surface textures, and movement sensations. This bodily awareness is crucial for motor skill mastery and performance consistency. Emotional states. Feel confidence, determination, calm, focus, or competitive intensity. Emotional imagery builds mental resilience and prepares you psychologically for high pressure situations. Auditory elements. Hear crowd noise, equipment sounds, coach instructions, and your own breathing. Audio imagery enhances realism and prepares you for actual competition acoustics. Olfactory cues. Include familiar scents like grass, chlorine, or gym air. This sensory anchors enhance memory recall and create deeper immersion in your mental rehearsal sessions. Environmental conditions. Sense temperature, humidity, wind, and surface conditions. Environmental awareness ensures your mental practice matches real competition conditions. PETTLEP model for effective imagery. Physical. Imagine yourself wearing your actual competition gear, uniform, or equipment. Physical details enhance the realism and effectiveness of mental rehearsal sessions. Environment. Picture your exact competition venue with accurate lighting, surfaces, and spatial layout. Environmental specificity improves skill transfer to actual performance settings. Task. Visualize the precise skill, routine, or performance sequence you want to improve. Task-specific imagery creates targeted neural pathway strengthening. Timing. Perform imagery at real-time speed or slightly slower for complex skills. Proper timing ensures neural patterns match actual performance requirements. Learning. Adapt your mental images as your physical skills improve and evolve. Dynamic imagery ensures continued relevance and effectiveness throughout skill development. Emotion. Include feelings of success, confidence, focus, and determination. Emotional integration builds psychological resilience and competitive readiness. Perspective. Alternate between first person and third person viewpoints for comprehensive skill understanding and correction. Make it real. The more realistic your mental rehearsal, the more your brain treats it as actual experience. Every detail matters, from the weight of your equipment to the sound of the crowd, in creating neural patterns that transfer directly to competition performance. Chapter 3. How to practice visualization effectively. Effective visualization requires more than closing your eyes and hoping for the best. It demands structured practice, focused attention, and systematic progression from basic imagery to complex multisensory rehearsals that mirror real competition demands. This chapter provides practical step-by-step guidance for developing your visualization skills. You'll learn proven techniques used by sports psychologists and elite athletes to maximize the training benefits of mental rehearsal. From finding the optimal practice environment to troubleshooting common challenges, you'll gain everything needed to implement a successful imagery program. Step by step, guided imagery exercise. Create optimal environment. Find a quiet, comfortable space free from distractions. Sit or lie in a relaxed position and begin with 3 deep cleansing breaths to center your attention and prepare your mind for focused imagery. Establish vivid setting. Close your eyes and begin constructing your sport environment. Include visual details like lighting and colors, sounds such as equipment or crowds, and physical sensations like temperature and surface textures. Rehearse with rich detail. Mentally perform your skill or routine, incorporating all sensory elements. Feel muscle contractions, equipment weight, and movement flow. Include timing, rhythm, and precise technical execution throughout the sequence. Integrate success emotions. Experience the emotions of confidence, calm, focus, and successful completion. Feel the satisfaction of perfect execution and the excitement of achieving your performance goals during this mental rehearsal. Establish regular practice. Repeat this process consistently to reinforce neural pathways and build robust mental muscle memory. Start with 5 to 10 minute sessions and gradually increase duration as your imagery skills develop and strengthen. Tailoring imagery to your sport. Runners, feel the rhythm of your stride, the wind against your body, and the track surface beneath your feet. Include breathing patterns, muscle tension, and the sensation of maintaining pace throughout your race distance. Swimmers, imagine water resistance against your body, controlled breathing rhythm, and precise stroke technique. Feel the pool's temperature, the sensation of pushing off the walls, and the timing of competitive turns. Team sports, visualize complex plays, clear communication with teammates, and the energy of crowd atmosphere. Include ball handling, spatial awareness, and split-second decision-making under competitive pressure. Precision sports. Picture exact moments, perfect timing, and detailed sensory feedback. Focus on balance, fine motor control, and the feeling of achieving technical precision in challenging competitive environments. Each sport requires specific imagery adaptations to maximize training effectiveness. Consider your sport's unique demands and incorporate relevant sensory details that will transfer directly to improved performance outcomes. Common pitfalls and how to overcome them. Challenge: vague, unfocused imagery. Many athletes struggle with fuzzy, incomplete mental pictures that lack detail and realism. This reduces the effectiveness of neural pathway activation. Solution: systematic detail building. Start with one sensory element and gradually layer in additional details. Practice describing your imagery out loud to ensure vivid, controlled scenes that engage multiple senses simultaneously. Challenge: inconsistent practice. Sporadic imagery sessions fail to build the neural consistency required for performance transfer and skill enhancement. Solution: structured progression. Begin with 5-minute daily sessions, focusing on quality over quantity. Gradually increase duration and complexity as your imagery skills strengthen and become more automatic. Pro tip: use both first person and third person perspectives. This dual approach provides comprehensive skill understanding and enables better error correcting. Chapter 4: Real world impact and success stories. The true test of any training method lies in its real world results. Mental imagery has produced measurable improvements in athletic performance across every sport and competition level. From Olympic champions to weekend warriors, athletes who commit to systematic visualization practice consistently outperform their peers who rely solely on physical training. This chapter examines detailed case studies of three legendary athletes whose imagery practices became integral to their championship success. Their stories provide concrete examples of how to implement and benefit from advanced visualization techniques in competitive settings. Michael Phelps's mental videotape. Daily visualization routine. Phelps visualized every race phase daily, from the moment he stepped onto the starting blocks to his final celebration stroke. His mental videotape included detailed scenarios for both perfect races and potential problems like goggle malfunctions or false starts. Pressure-proof performance. This comprehensive mental rehearsal enhanced his focus and maintained calm under intense Olympic pressure. When unexpected situations arose during actual competition, Phelps had already experienced and resolved them mentally. Measurable results. His visualization practice contributed directly to earning 28 Olympic medals, including 23 gold medals across 4 Olympic Games. Coaches attribute 40% of his competitive advantage to mental preparation techniques. I would visualize the best and worst case scenarios. I'd rehearse getting out of trouble, coming from behind, and what if I'm behind at the turn? What if I'm ahead at the turn? I was ready for anything. Serena Williams' multi-sensory imagery. Comprehensive mental rehearsal. Williams' mental rehearsal serves footwork, patterns, and strategic responses to different opponent styles. Her imagery sessions included crowd noise, pressure situations, and comeback scenarios from deficit positions. Resilience building. Her visualization practice built extraordinary mental resilience, enabling her to overcome significant injuries, personal challenges, and high stakes match situations that would derail less prepared competitors. Technical precision. She used imagery to maintain technical precision under pressure, visualizing perfect serve placement and court positioning. This mental practice allowed her to execute complex shots during crucial match moments with remarkable consistency. Williams maintained elite performance across 2 decades, winning 23 Grand Slam single titles through consistent mental training alongside physical preparation. Novak Djokovic's match preparation. Pre-match visualization. Djokovic uses detailed imagery to foresee potential challenges and strategize specific responses. He visualizes different opponent tactics and prepares multiple game plan adjustments through mental rehearsal. Meditation integration. He combines traditional meditation techniques with sport-specific visualization for enhanced mental endurance. This dual approach builds both emotional regulation and performance-specific mental skills. Pressure management. His imagery practice includes high-pressure scenarios like championship points and hostile crowd situations. This preparation enables him to maintain optimal performance during the most critical competitive moments. Championship results. This comprehensive mental preparation has been a key factor in his multiple Grand Slam victories and consistent world ranking dominance. His mental game often provides the decisive edge in closely contested matches. Champions visualize victory. These elite athletes demonstrate that visualization isn't optional for peak performance, it's essential. Their systematic mental training approaches provide proven blueprints for athletes at every level seeking competitive advantages. Conclusion. Your mind is your greatest training tool. Science-backed method. Visualization is a proven, scientifically validated technique that accelerates skill mastery through neural pathway strengthening. Research consistently demonstrates measurable performance improvements across all sports. Complete sensory engagement. Engage all your senses to create vivid, realistic mental rehearsals that your brain interprets as genuine practice experiences. Multi-sensory imagery maximizes training effectiveness and skill transfer. Consistent practice builds confidence. Regular imagery sessions build unshakable confidence and enable optimal performance under competitive pressure. Mental rehearsal prepares you for success before you step onto the field. So your next steps. Begin with 10-minute daily visualization sessions using the PETTLEP model. Focus on one specific skill until you can mentally rehearse it with complete sensory detail. Track your progress and adjust imagery content as your physical skills develop. Combine mental and physical practice for maximum performance enhancement. Start your imagery training today and unlock your full athletic potential. Your mind is the ultimate performance tool. Learn to use it with the same dedication you bring to physical training and watch your results transform dramatically. Thank you guys for coming to this workshop. Have a lovely day further.